Hey everyone, today's June 19th, 2020, and I hope all of you have a great day today. So in today's video, I'm dropping my BRZ at Tony's shop to get my throwout bearing and my new clutch installed on my BRZ. So his shop is about 20 minutes away, and it's going to be a struggle to drive my BRZ there. The last time I drove it, so about 2 weeks ago now, whenever I put it in first gear, it would die and I would have to keep trying over and over again. And hopefully this drive isn't too bad. And it is the morning right now, so there will be morning traffic. And for me, as long as my car's moving, it won't stall out as bad. It's always when I go from a stop, then my car dies in first or second gear. So I'm gonna head out right now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. I'm going to Tony's shop, dropping my car off there. I'll be working a full day, and when I get off work, my car will be ready for pickup. My new clutch and throwout bearing will be installed. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today, and let's get going. Pulled up to Tony's shop just now. My car just died as I parked. It's been a while since I drove my car, and Tony's shop is about 15-20 minutes from my house. My car died maybe 4 times on the way here, but it wasn't that bad because he doesn't open for another 2 hours or so. I'm gonna leave my clutch and my throwout bearing in my BRZ, drop my keys off, get an Uber, and head home. I'm dropping the BRZ at his shop in the morning. He said he'll have it done by the end of the day. And this is the first time I drove my BRZ with my new fender garnishes that look so good. And after this, my clutch will be perfect, my throwout bearing will be replaced, and I'll reveal what clutch I have on the BRZ once I come back and pick it up. And these look so good. And the 3M tape I used to put these on worked really good. And my car is completely filthy right now. So once I come back later tonight with my new clutch and throwout bearing installed on my BRZ, the first thing I'm gonna do is get a car wash, because look how filthy this is. Look at that. It is so dirty. I really think this is the dirtiest my car has ever been. So Tony works on a lot of BRZs. FRS is an 86. As you can see, we have mine, these over here, 2 more right there. Alright guys, leaving my BRZ here right now at Tony's shop, and the car looks so good. And you can see the skyline over here looks so clean. And if I was to get one, I would definitely get it in this color, and look how nice this looks. Wow. Beautiful. I'm dropping my keys off in the box. My Uber will be here in about 1 minute. And I'm gonna head home, work at home the full day, and after work, I'll come back and pick up my car. Thank you, stay safe. Alright guys, just got out of my Uber. Sorry guys, I have to start work right now, and I'll see you guys in 8 hours.
Many hours later.
Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a quick update. So I received a message from Tony. He's currently working on my BRZ at his shop. I'm in the middle of work right now. I have my ghetto work set up right now at my kitchen table, which I did order a new desk, which is awesome, and that's going to be my new workstation for actually a daytime job and for YouTube. Really quick, let me show you the messages that Tony sent me in regards to the throwout bearing that was going bad on my BRZ. Just received this message from Tony. And this is my old throwout bearing right there, and it is in pieces. And I got lucky because it could have destroyed my bearing retainer, and that would have been a whole nother issue right there, but it didn't. And once my car started to get bad and the clutch was slipping, I just kept my BRZ in the garage, and if I drove it anymore, it could have got a lot worse. Yeah, I really didn't know it was that bad. I got lucky though.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, just got off work. My girlfriend Steph's driving me to get my car at Tony's shop. Tony said it's all good, and we're taking Steph's Mazda 3. Alright, so Tony's working on this GTR, and the wrap looks awesome on it. And we're about to drive my car back, and everything's perfectly fine with it. And the new clutch I'll reveal to you in just a moment here. And with this GTR, rebuilding this motor here to make about 1,000 horsepower, which is awesome. I'll be taking my BRZ here when I get my supercharger installed, because he works on a lot of BRZs, F4Ss, and 86s, a lot of them. And like even right now in his parking lot, he has 6 of them he's working on at the moment. And this GTR is so nice. This beautiful carbon fiber wing, it's APR wing, so nice. Really nice diffuser, those exhaust tips. Alright, now heading out, he's working on this Miata right here. And as you can see, it's boosted. He's doing some work on this at the moment. So back to where we were this morning. My car is all set. Yeah, this 8.6 right here, FRS, this GTR, and these are beautiful. I honestly love this year. Love the color of this. And I love that it's right-hand drive. It's so nice. Honestly, it's in really good shape too. And yeah, my car doesn't look dirty on camera, but I'm gonna get a car wash on the way back. It's like caked on there so bad. Look at that. But the car looks good. Should run really awesome right now. And my car is ready for boost and to make a lot of power with the new clutch. Oh wow, the clutch feels completely different. I'm gonna have to get used to that. The clutch I have on my BRZ right now is the Exity Stage 1 clutch. This is the clutch right here, and we'll see how it feels. We'll go for the first drive right now. Wow. My BRZ feels so good right now. Oh my god. I should have got an upgraded clutch a long time ago. Downshift. I did a couple pulls so far, and the car feels so good. I should have done an upgraded clutch a long time ago. Even though I'm not boosted right now, the car feels so much better. Quick acceleration here. I can't believe my throwout bearing was in 2 pieces. And I'm surprised that nothing else happened to my my stock clutch or my throwout bearing, because it was literally in 2 pieces. I drove it all the way to Tony's shop this morning. But I'm happy everything worked out. There were no complications, no issues with it, and the car feels perfect right now. So my BRZ is all set to get boosted. When I boost my car, I'm probably gonna be looking around 300 to 350 horsepower. Probably around 300, because the clutch I got gonna hold around 300, no problem. All right, guys, let's get a quick acceleration with the new clutch. It really does feel so good, and I couldn't be any happier. with how it feels and the job Tony did. Alright guys, just got home and my clutch feels so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new clutch on my BRZ. Remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.